This is Dave coming at you from Grand Blanc. We finally got the walls formed, which we started yesterday, and it's about almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday. And they're going to try to pour this entire job today, which is very impressive. Free advertising. Russell goes. Yeah, they're good to go. They got a couple pads they forgot to pour down to the bottom, but he said, we'll just go ahead and pour those pads because they ran out of concrete when they poured the footings. They'll just pour it on this today. Makes sense. But yeah, this is what it all looks like. Got all the forms set. They did a really good job. We got a complicated wall going over there like I talked about before. And looks like Eric's over there filming too. He said this was the biggest job that they've done this year. It's one of the bigger ones they've done. It's complicated. They even went around, since they have all their forms off their racks, and since this took so many forms, you can see that they sprayed some type of WD-40 on all of their pins. And they do that ever so often, but they figured this would be a good time to do it because they have so many forms exposed out of the racks. So that makes me feel good, like, wow, it's a big enough job to pull out the W-40. It's not a deep house. It's only like 36 feet at its deepest, like going out that way. But it's 156 feet long from left to right down here. Now that I can physically see it, it looks like we're a little bit higher than we'd want to be, but at the same time, what it does is it makes it to where I was able to have the walkout basement. So if we did go down a little bit lower, it'd just be that much more dirt we got to dig out back there towards the pond. And so it actually works out about right where we'd want the house. We're already going to have to bring in a decent amount of fill. Now see these squares right here, this is going to be my window well. So in that wall, the straight wall there's a window down there, and then I just decided to pour these all up. A lot of people just strap a like a corrugated galvanized thing there, and I don't know, I just wanted this to look a lot better. We'll cultured stone the front of this right here as the grade goes down here. We'll do some cultured stone with a nice flagstone cap or something, and then we'll put the you know, the clear, we'll figure something decorative out towards the top. But in the weeping tile down there, they did actually put, we might not have to put anything here at the top because there's a weeping in that weeping tile, there's a T up, so any water that gets down in there will just drain right out. So they might not require me to put something there, but just for safety, you know, I'm not going to really have kids, but you know, animals, we don't want any snapping turtles getting stuck down in there. But they're about any minute now, they're about ready. They're getting ready. There's the guys, and I don't know, they're getting ready to go. So I'll sign off for now, and then I'll just do another video of them pouring it, and then maybe and then they're doing it quick. They're gonna actually they said they're gonna be pulling off the forms tomorrow. You don't want them to set. They sprayed oil. They sprayed oil down in there, man. I'll just walk over here and show you. You've got the re-rod, and they did that oil. That way it's easy to pull the forms off. But you want to pull the forms off the next day, or they say it gets really hard to pull these forms off. So I'm telling you, I'm learning a lot about this process. You can see they have that chute ready to dump in that pad that they forgot. So signing off.